Hi friends, today I'm going to share quick and easy chicken corn soup recipe. But first, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm also sharing my Insta handle down there. You can check my Instagram page too. So recently, I moved from northeast to Midwest and we had a blizzard, which is actually a severe snowstorm with lots of wind and zero visibility. So I thought, why not record some footage and share with you guys. It's a perfect weather to make some soup with garlic bread. I'll make separate video on garlic bread. As you can hear the sound of the blizzard. It was just beginning of the blizzard. So let's get started with the recipe. For soup, I'm using 3 drumsticks. You can use either part of the chicken. Just make sure you use chicken on the bone, it has more flavor. Now in the pot, I'm adding hot water. It's gonna speed up the cooking time. I'm using around roughly 2 liters of water. Now I'm adding 3 drumsticks. One garlic clove, which is optional. It gives just hint of flavor. You can use salt according to your taste. I'm using half teaspoon and I'm covering it for a good 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the chicken is tender and the fat of the chicken is floating on top of the water. So I'm removing that fat first. And now I'm taking out the chicken and the garlic out of the water. I'm gonna debone and shred the chicken with the help of fork. And now for the ingredients, I'm using 1 can of whole kernel. I will drain the water. I'll use only the whole kernels. And 1 can of cream of the corn, which is easily available in the market. Or you can grind the boiled corn kernels into paste. And some dried or fresh chives. Now over here I have ground black and white pepper, half teaspoon each, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and soya sauce and an egg. Now in the chicken stock, I'm adding ground black and white pepper. One tablespoon of soya sauce. Which I'm shaking prior to add. Cream of corn. And the whole kernels. I drain the water. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Let them boil. And now I'm adding shredded chicken in it. The flame of the stove is on medium the whole time. And let all the ingredients to infuse together well. Now I'm covering the pot with the lid for further 5 minutes on medium to low flame. In meanwhile, I'm taking 4 heaped tablespoons of cornstarch and mixing them in 3 tablespoons of water. The soup is rolling boil. Now I'm gradually pouring the cornstarch mixture into the soup and simultaneously mixing it to avoid any lumps. Now I'm beating up 1 whole egg and adding it with the same manner. As you can see, strings of eggs is visible. The consistency of soup is entirely depends on you how thick you like. Now in the last, I'm adding some chives. and give it a mix. Now I'm covering it for further 2 to 3 minutes on the low flame. Now the soup is ready. Serve it with your choice of hot sauce and soya sauce, along with the homemade garlic bread, which I'll share the recipe soon on my channel. For further tasty recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.